This module evolved from some pioneering work by Dolph, Hankin, and Reeves, which demonstrated that the bias in visually based surveys can actually be quantified by comparing it to the more quantitative data. We took this idea and compared it with our point transect methodology to come up with this screening level methodology. This module is designed to provide visual estimates of channel structure, substrate, and bank condition. The rapid assessment methodology for channel structure, or RAM, adapts the point transect approach by visually classifying the habitat along transects. RAM can be completed in much less time than it would take to complete the full point transect method, and produces a more reliable and repeatable assessment than conventional visual assessment methodologies. RAM is best applied to studies that are designed to evaluate overall conditions across spatial scales and can provide quantitative estimates of specific habitat features within a study. Unique to this module is that the variables assessed are comparable to those measured in the more rigorous point transect sampling method. In fact, the sampling strategy for the two modules are comparable. As a result, data from the two methods can be compared, and the data from the point transect method used to calibrate the information collected in this visually based survey, or RAM. This means that correction coefficients can be applied to improve the quality of the data collected from RAM. What you have to watch out for with this module is the tendency for creep to come into the surveys. Creep occurs when thresholds for changes in habitat condition change as surveyors' experience evolves. To avoid creep, you have to routinely check your results by measuring the variables in the field. One other way to avoid creep altogether is to use a ruler to assist with in-stream measurements. Another thing to watch out for is the potential for surveyors to select where transects should lie so that preferred or good habitat gets included in a survey. This is not the approach that's applied with the point transect methodology, and it can introduce considerable bias and over or underestimates of habitat.